The human body is incredible. Basic life functions like growing, developing, and healing happen on a subconscious level using a network of internal communication systems. This communication is constantly working to help the body achieve and maintain a state of balance. When the body becomes overwhelmed and can't balance itself, it will exhibit outward symptoms. In essence, this is your body's way of asking for help. What if you could eavesdrop and discover the care, the nutrition, the help your body would react positively to? If you could communicate with your body, what would it say? Zyto's proprietary technology reads subtle changes in the electrical properties of your skin, changes that you're not consciously aware of. We call this biocommunication. During biocommunication, Zyto technology will send your body a sequence of computer signals and read your response to each. It's like we're asking your body questions and recording your answers. One application of biocommunication is to discover the computer signals representing health options you respond most positively to. These positive responses are called your biological preference. Biological preference can provide powerful insights and help you make better decisions about your health, your nutrition, and which nutritional supplements you take. There are many options out there. The key is to discover what will produce the most effective results for your body. Imagine what you could do if you were providing your body what it needs to stay balanced. Does your body know what it needs? Maybe you just need to ask.